how to set navigation bar to button or swipe gesture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. You will see Display is here. Click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Navigation bar. After click on Navigation bar, so you will see just swipe gesture and button is here. If you want to set navigation bar swipe gesture, click on swipe gesture. You will see navigation bar is set on swipe gesture. If you want to set navigation bar to button, click on button. After click on button, you will see navigation bar is set on button. So you will select button and swipe gestures from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set navigation bar to button or swipe gesture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.